Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, come here. What's the time?
2 minutes, 12 seconds.
Yes, I said time. What's
2.12. 2.12 minutes per second.
Pesima? Hell.
212 miles per hour. 12. 3 times 5. 15.
Okay, good one. Which one?
Thank you, sir.
Best.
Sir?
Oh yeah, 2 times.
Okay, sir.
To the class. Oh yeah, best.
2 times 1, 2 times 2. 2 times 2.
Oh yeah.
2 times 2.
Okay, what is 2 in 2 places, best?
2s. 2 times 2.
Quiet, class, quiet. Raise 2 fingers up, best. 2 fingers, oh yeah. Count it.
1, 2.
Good one. Oh yeah, raise another 2. Oh yeah, count it.
1, 2.
I mean together.
1, 2.
All the way to 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so what is 2 times 2 now?
2 times 2.
Let's look at your finger.
2 times 2, 1,111.
Buy your recharge card. Okay, sir. Buy your recharge card.
I'm not buying.
Buy your recharge card.
What is the problem now?
Buy your
You
recharge
come the
card.
first time, I say I'm not buying. You come the second time, I say you're beginning to be disappearing everywhere. You're disappearing. You're here now. Yes, I want to buy. I say I don't want to buy. What is your problem?
Now, us too, sir.
What do you mean us too? What do you mean us too? Now only you the us too.
Buy your recharge card. Buy your recharge card.
Will you get down, bro?
Buy your recharge card,
Will you
sir.
come on, man? What is your problem? I said I'm not buying recharge card.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Leave that roof.
Buy your original recharge card, sir. Sir.
Bless you. Thank you. Bless you again. What a life. Bro, you for go clinic now. What did they do you? Like we like 13 we dey here, bros, man, and nobody they sneeze. Now only you they sneeze since. Go clinic, go hospital. This place no be clinic now. If you infect this one, you infect the virus they spread, bro. Come on. Oh my God. I beg, I'm sorry. Bro! Everybody, I'm sorry. You're about to do it. Get out!
The legend of Chukwuka. Chukwuka is a boy. Chukwuka entered the forest. Chukwuka was bitten by a werewolf. Chukwuka's mom picked up a knife to stab Chukwuka. Chukwuka is a werewolf.
Good one.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, read yours.
Okay, sir.
Read that part to the class.
The legend of Chukwuka.
That one, yeah.
Chukwuka is a boy. Chukwuka entered the forest.
Okay.
Chukwuka was beaten by a werewolf.
Werewolf.
By a werewolf.
Yeah.
Chukwuka's mother picked up a
Knife.
A knife to stab Chukwuka. Chukwuka is a...
Go ahead.
Chukwuka is a werewolf.